Can kerosene heaters be used safely indoors?
Hello, and welcome to our discussion on an important subject matter: the safe indoor use of kerosene heaters. Kerosene heaters can be a great source of heat, especially during power outages, but it's crucial to use them correctly to ensure safety.
What are kerosene heaters?
First, let's delve into what exactly kerosene heaters are. These are portable heating devices that burn kerosene fuel. They are popular for their convenience and efficiency. However, their usage, especially indoors, requires keen observation of safety measures.
Can kerosene heaters be used safely indoors?
The answer is yes. Kerosene heaters can be used safely indoors, but there are important precautions that must be followed.
What are the safety measures?
Here are some vital safety measures you should observe when using kerosene heaters indoors. 1. Ventilation. Ensure your room has adequate ventilation. Burning kerosene consumes oxygen and produces carbon monoxide, a poisonous gas. Always leave a window or door partially open to allow fresh air to circulate. 2. Fuel quality. Only use 1K grade kerosene. This type of kerosene is the cleanest and safest to use. 3. Refilling. Never refuel a hot or operating heater. Let it cool down first. And do the refilling outside to avoid indoor kerosene spills. 4. Positioning. Place the heater on a stable, level surface away from foot traffic and flammable materials. 5. Supervision. Never leave a lit kerosene heater unattended. Also, ensure it's out of reach from children and pets. 6. Maintenance. Regularly maintain and inspect your heater according to the manufacturer's instructions.
What are the potential risks?
While kerosene heaters can be used safely indoors, potential risks still exist, including carbon monoxide poisoning, fire hazards, and health risks related to the quality of indoor air. These risks, however, can be mitigated by following the safety measures we've discussed. Kerosene heaters are indeed valuable devices, particularly for their portability and efficiency. And yes, they can be used safely indoors. However, it's vital to understand and apply the necessary precautions consistently. Remember, safety first. We hope this video has been informative and helpful in understanding how to safely use kerosene heaters indoors. Stay warm and safe.